Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Seth Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Karderu, mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, today let us continue with chapter 11 algebra. So children, let us begin. Students, today we are going to study about expressions with variables. In your earlier chapters of arithmetic, you have come across expressions such as say 2 into 10 plus 3 and so on, where we use numbers and various mathematical operations such as multiplication, addition, subtraction, division and so on. Similarly, how this expression is formed using numbers, same way using variables also we are able to form the expression such as 2x plus 10, isn't it? And this equation can be solved only if the x value is known to us. So let us study in this video how to form an expression using variables. So children, here we have some examples where the expression is formed. When we say y plus 5, it means that 5 is added to y. So how it is formed? 5 added to y. Similarly, when we write the expression t minus 7, that means 7 is subtracted from t. Next we have 10a, that is a is multiplied by 10. Next we have division, that is x divided by 3, isn't it? Next we have minus 5q, that is q is multiplying by minus 5. Next we have 3x plus 2. So children, here we have 2 here. In one term we have two things, that is x is multiplied by 3 and then the product, and then 2 is added to the product. Similarly, we have 2y minus 5, where y is multiplied by 2 and then subtracted by 5 from the product. So this is how we write the expression and write it in the verbal form. They may also ask you to write an expression when they give you statement, that is 12 subtracted from z. So children, from z you are subtracting 12. So how will you write the expression? Z minus 12. 25 added to r. It means you are adding 25 to r. So r plus 25. P multiplied by 16. That is 16 into p. That is 16p. Y divided by 8. That is y divided by 8. M multiplied by minus 9. So it gives you the answer minus 9m. Y multiplied by 10 and then 7 added to the product. So how will you write? First form this one, y multiplied by 10. So it becomes 10y and then 7 is added to this product. So plus 7. Similarly, we have n multiplied by 2 and 1 subtracted from the product. So when you multiply n and 2, you get 2n, and from this 1 is subtracted. So you can write 2n minus 1. So children, this is how we can write the expression for the given statement. Moving on to exercise 11.3. Question number 1. Make up as many expressions with numbers, no variables, as you can form 3 numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So children, here they have given some examples for this question, that is 5 plus 8 minus 7, 5 minus 8 minus 7, 5 into 8 plus 7. So like this you have to form some other expressions using the numbers 5, 7 and 8, and you have to use only addition, subtraction and multiplication. So children, here I have formed 6 expressions. Just check it. 7 plus 8 minus 5, 7 minus 8 minus 5, 7 into 8 plus 5. Now you can change the numbers as well as the operations. 8 plus 7 minus 5, 8 minus 7 minus 5, 8 into 5 plus 7. Now you can again change and try to form. So children, I have formed here 6. You can try for some other expressions. Now let us move to question number 2. Which out of the following are expressions with numbers only? So children, in the following examples or expressions, you have to tell me which expression is having only numbers. First one, y plus 3, it is having variable y. B, 7 into 20 minus 8z, again we have z, that is variable. C, 5 into 21 minus 7 plus 7 into 2, here we don't have any variable, so this is the expression with numbers only. Next, D, we have only 5, so this is also the expression with number only. E, 3x, it has variable. F, 5 minus 5n, again it is having variable. G, 7 into 20 minus 5 into 10 minus 45 plus p, again we have the variable p. So children, among all these only C and D are the expressions with numbers only. So you write the answer C and D, that is C and D. Now let us move to question number 3. Identify the operations addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. Question A, z plus 1, z minus 1, y plus 17 and y minus 17. So in first expression we have addition, in second one we have subtraction, again addition and subtraction. So children, you have to write addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction. Similarly, now let us go for B. B question, 17y, here we have multiplication, y upon 17, it is division, 5z, again multiplication. So you write multiplication, division, multiplication. C question, 2y plus 17 and 2y minus 17. So children, here we have two operations in one expression, that is multiplication here 2 into y and addition. Similarly here we have multiplication and subtraction. So we can write multiplication and addition, multiplication and subtraction. Last question, 7m. Here it is multiplying. Here minus 7 plus 3. Here we have multiplication and here we have addition. So we write multiplication and addition. Similarly here we have multiplication and here subtraction. So we can write multiplication and subtraction. So answer will be multiplication, multiplication and addition, multiplication and subtraction.